Welcome to the University of Texas at Arlington. My name is Dr. Zori Brown, Operations Director for the Center for Entrepreneurship and Economic Innovation. UTA is a diverse and vibrant university with great opportunities and educational exploration. Our Center for Entrepreneurship and Economic Innovation provides a supportive atmosphere for our faculty and students to innovate and commercialize new technology for new companies. We're excited to introduce you to concepts such as design thinking, creative problem solving, and collaboration. These skills will benefit you regardless of what academic journey you choose.
We are so excited to introduce entrepreneurship and innovation to all you new Mavericks. Hello, my name is Matt Clark. I'm Faculty Director at the new Center for Entrepreneurship and Economic Innovation. I know there are a lot of entrepreneurial-minded students out there. I know a lot of you want to pursue your own passions, to be your own boss. I know a lot of you want to make the world a better place, to contribute and make a difference. I can tell you this, that by having an entrepreneurial mindset, you'll be better equipped to seize opportunities and leverage your strengths and talents in whatever it is you choose to do. When I was an artist, an entrepreneur, I didn't know how, but I knew I needed to hustle. I knew painting was my jam, and I needed to find an audience who responded to what I was creating. Eventually I did. It's not easy. It takes time, dedication, sacrifice, and risk. It's not always rewarding, and it's not for everyone. But know this, you all have something here at UTA that I did not. This great entrepreneurial ecosystem on campus and in our community. All the resources needed to create and launch a business are here right in your backyard.
In recent years, what we've seen is that entrepreneurship has actually been more progressed towards entrepreneurial thinking. So as long as you're equipped to learn about the process, equipped with tools such as creative problem solving or design thinking, you're able to create things, you're able to innovate. And also entrepreneurship has, in the past couple of years, has really been democratized towards more humanities, social sciences, arts. And so this democratization actually, is bringing more new, ideas into the field.
During your next student success class, we'll be leading you through a creative challenge that focuses on 3 core components of entrepreneurship: design thinking, creative problem solving, and collaboration. Not only are they critical when developing a business, but they're also applicable in whatever professional path you choose. You probably would be interested to know that these skills, along with other entrepreneurial power skills, are what employees are looking for in college graduates. And research indicates that they're deciding factors when comparing candidates with similar backgrounds. Entrepreneurship and innovation are important, and they're everywhere. Here's some people in our community who also believe in its value and importance.
Entrepreneurship and innovation are important because entrepreneurs and innovators are often the ones that get those great big ideas out to the marketplace. They have a passion for them, they believe in them, and they take the risk and spend their energy getting them on the market.
Entrepreneurship and innovation are important because they're the driving forces behind thinking outside of the box to create real products and services that fill real needs within our communities.
So entrepreneurship and innovation are important because they allow students to really flex their creative thinking beyond what they learn theoretical skills in the classroom into real-world applied scenarios.
I believe entrepreneurship and innovation are important because it really drives our economy, both in terms of financial rewards and wealth creation, but just the betterment of our lives, because entrepreneurs and innovation is really what drives the well-being of society.
Entrepreneurship and innovation is important because it allows for a community to create its economic future versus being reliant on someone else.
Entrepreneurship and innovation is important because really we're talking about fielding technologies. So as an engineer, we spend most of our career, most of our time developing really cool stuff, new applications, robotics, rockets, whatever, new vehicles. But at the end of the day, if we don't get those technologies into people's hands and get them to actually be used, then what have we really accomplished?
So entrepreneurship and economic innovation also depends on partnerships and collaboration. And Arlington does that better than any city I've ever worked in. Between the city, their leadership and vision, the University of Texas at Arlington and their strength, the Chamber of Commerce, our Convention and Visitors Bureau, our partners in the entertainment district, we all work together here. And when you can do that, you can get amazing things done.
I believe that design thinking is a momentum for integrative innovation, which help us to move our students out of their silos and basically empower them to collaborate in cross disciplines. So we hope that we empower you with design thinking principles and skills in order for you to apply these core skills to any type of project that you are doing.
Maverick entrepreneurs have launched hundreds of businesses. So many, in fact, that the College of Businesses created Mavs 100, an award ceremony honoring the 100 fastest growing Mav-owned businesses in the area. Together, they generate hundreds of millions of dollars in economic impact. If you're curious and want to get further engaged and learn about the resources, the courses, and more about the entrepreneurial ecosystem, I've invited Dr. Kim Mayer, the Interim Executive Director at UTA Center for Entrepreneurship and Economic Innovation, to share more with you all.
Thanks, Matt. On behalf of the Center for Entrepreneurship and Economic Innovation, I'm pleased to welcome all of you to UTA. We know that you're going to make an impact as Mavericks. Over the last decade, I've literally coached and mentored hundreds of entrepreneurs as they've launched and grown their businesses. I honestly believe entrepreneurs are everywhere. We just don't always recognize that's what we're doing. Yes, entrepreneurs come up with new products and new technologies, and they start businesses from scratch. We've all heard those stories. But entrepreneurs also launch a new location for an existing franchise. They're new assistant professors setting up their very first research lab. They're newly minted architects or dentists or artists or bloggers or personal trainers who all hang up their shingles and get to work for themselves. If you're inspired after this to learn more, there are many courses you can take that include aspects of entrepreneurship and innovation. One easy way to find them all is on the center's website at go.uta.edu/CEEI. Under the Student Opportunities tab, you'll find 2 buttons that take you right to lists of these courses. We've already done the search for you. You can continue to learn and practice by participating in workshops and discussion series like Epic Mavs. Produced in collaboration with our partners at Tech Fort Worth, Epic Mavs is offered every Thursday at 4:30 p.m. during the academic year. Each week features a guest speaker and includes a discussion session where students, faculty, staff, and members of the community further explore the topic and get to know each other. Traditionally held in the Startup Lounge, Epic Mavs is moving this fall to the new center location at the corner of UTA Boulevard and Center Street. We welcome you to join us there at the gateway to campus to meet and collaborate with like-minded people from UTA and your community. UTA has also joined the newly formed Texas network of Blackstone Launchpads, designed to foster student founders by complementing UTA's existing entrepreneurship resources, catalyzing connections to external resources, and convening students and staff at events that provide networking and skill-building opportunities. During your time at UTA, you can also join groups like the Entrepreneur Society, and you might decide to participate in a capstone research project and Innovation Day in the College of Engineering. Or you might join the packaging program in the College of Liberal Arts, where teams develop innovative solutions and designs for packaging of commercial products. If you have an idea for a business and are ready to pitch it to judges for a chance to win prize money to help you launch it, consider Mav Pitch. This donor-sponsored program offers teams that include a student or recent alumnus cash to start their businesses. When you're ready to make a prototype of your product, UTA has several maker spaces available for our students. One of the largest is the Fab Lab in the Central Library. They have specialized equipment like 3D printers and sophisticated sewing machines, and they have the experts who can help you learn to use that equipment. And if you'd like to gain experience working within a startup, or practicing innovation through intrapreneurship with a larger company, consider the Lockheed Martin Career Development Center. Their internship specialists can help you make connections to companies who need your expertise. Welcome, and we look forward to seeing you.
Again, I want to welcome all of you to UTA and to the Maverick community. We hope that we can inspire you to evolve, to grow, to reach your potential, and define success however you define it.